To file for an extension on taxes in 2025, follow these steps. First, determine if you need an extension, which is typically necessary if you cannot submit your tax return by the standard deadline. The standard deadline for tax returns is usually April 15th, but it may be different if it falls on a weekend or holiday. Next, gather the necessary information to file for an extension. You will need your name, address, and social security number or tax identification number. You will also need to estimate your tax liability for the year, as you will be required to pay any owed taxes by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Now, choose the method for filing for an extension. You can file electronically using tax software or the IRS website, or you can file by mail using Form 4868. If you file electronically, you will receive a confirmation number that you should keep for your records. If you file by mail, make sure to get a postmark by the original deadline. When filing for an extension, you are required to pay any estimated tax owed to avoid penalties and interest you can pay online, by phone, or by mail. Make sure to keep a record of your payment, as you will need it when you file your tax return. After filing for an extension, you will have an additional 6 months to file your tax return. The new deadline will be October 15th. Use this time to gather any necessary documents and information to complete your tax return. It is also a good idea to consult with a tax professional if you are unsure about any part of the process. In conclusion, filing for an extension on taxes in 2025 is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and staying organized, you can avoid penalties and interest and ensure that you have enough time to complete your tax return accurately. Remember to pay any estimated tax owed and keep records of your payment and extension confirmation.